Virgo. 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 That's all they're getting. Beyonce. Should we even bother talking about Virgos anymore? Beyonce's a Virgo. Beyonce's a Virgo. Beyonce is a Virgo. Both my parents are Virgos. Ah! Ah! Virgos are also known as the virgin. Do not take that term literally. They're not all virgins. That would be a strange thing. It's okay to be a virgin. Virgos are the virgins because they're a little bit prudish. Well, there's another word for prudish that's not as offensive. Every sign has a body part that's associated with them. For Virgos, it's the nervous system. Like, they're very anxious people. A little fun side note, a lot of billionaires tend to be Virgos. It's the little details for you. The little details. You can't get over them. You love that 9-to-5 routine, but you gotta let go. You gotta loosen up. Be the life of the party. This is an impression of a Virgo at a party. I should say that again. This is an impression of a Virgo at a party. Me. I don't know. I, for some odd reason, think they're playing on a calculator. Where's that spark? Virgos, you love to give. Sexy. And you need a job that lets you give. So look for one of those jobs. I don't know what those jobs are, but they exist. Maybe a nurse, healthcare professional, that's the same thing. They make great accountants. They'll never screw up your taxes. You're master problem solvers. Master problem solvers, sorry. Can you solve the problem of why I'm single? Probably not. Here's some other problems you can solve. World peace. You would be great scientists. That's a way for you to solve a problem and give back to the world. Sometimes you're very good with your money, and other times you give zero. You know what I mean. You gotta find that balance. Have fun, but also save. Okay, this is my impression of a Virgo in love. Wait, it doesn't work, there's no table. Oh, there we go. Because they're overthinking, did you get it? Just stop thinking, okay? Feel, go with the flow, let loose. Have some fun, maybe some tequila. Romance isn't about little minute details. It's about fun and flowing and sensuality. Listen, Virgos, we get that you're smart and you know big words, but maybe instead of spewing a dictionary at your loved one, use the words to express how you truly feel about someone. That didn't make sense. Virgo, feel the words that come to you. Don't think about them. Don't be so rigid. Just let them flow out of you. You're hard to get to know. You give such great advice. My parents are Virgo and they give terrible advice, to be honest. But the problem is, you're sometimes just a little too harsh, so take it down a notch. Virgos, you love kids and you love old people, and you're really good with them. Like, Gavalt, like, who's good with kids and older folks and not just people? Maybe make some friends your own age. That's you, Virgo. And you're welcome. You want to know about your crush or your friend or your father or your mother or your daughter or your child or someone, just anyone, go look up their horoscope on the Chatelaine page. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.